Hi, and welcome to 2110 South Grant here in Springfield, Missouri. This home is located south of the Bass Pro area. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's been updated. It's got a gorgeous kitchen. It's got a fenced backyard. It's got a nice front porch here. Good sized front porch. Let's go ahead and take a look. Got vinyl plank flooring throughout. Here is the living area. Then we'll go on into the first bedroom here. Some people have used this first one as an office, but it does have a walk-in closet here. Then it has a bath just right off here. The bath is between the 2 bedrooms. Got the tub shower combo here. Then we'll go on into the second bedroom. This home has a split bedroom floor plan. We'll see the primary bedroom here shortly. It's got a little pantry area here. That kitchen. It's got the updated appliances, stainless steel appliances, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the flat top stove, the microwave. And then it's got granite countertops, tile backsplash. Here's the dining room sunroom. This is a really nice, bright area. Go on back, and here is the washer dryer hookups. Very conveniently located near your primary bedroom. And here is this nice sized primary bedroom. It has 2 closets. See right here. And then of course it does have the bath within the primary bedroom. We'll let you take a look at that. It's got the updated fixtures. It has a corner shower right here. We'll go on back through and let you take a look outside the back. Out the back we have a nice deck that leads into the fenced backyard. And there you have 2110 South Grant here in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.